This here is a ample grandfather clock from the 1970s. I got this from Facebook Marketplace for $150. It was a good deal in my eyes. It's a change of movement. It's a change within my tail, and it uses a door that does not require a key to open the door. That's why I chose this clock. Here's side view. There's a little well on the bottom, but other than that, it's still in good condition. Okay. Closer look at the weights and pendulum. The door opened. The weights are fully wound, so I'm not going to wind them. And here's the bottom. Don't know you can. I don't know if you can see the bottom. You probably cannot. This is a homing movement. I can't remember the model name of it. Please remember that if you're getting if you don't know where the weights go, this one is the heaviest. This one's medium heavy, and this one's the lightest. That's a fact about grandfather clock weights. Some people call this clock a grandmother clock, but it's not a grandmother clock. It's a minimum size of the grandfather clock. I think the minimum size is 6 foot tall. Yeah, that's how this clock is 6 foot tall. Anyway, excuse my. Yeah, it's really hard to open the top part. There we go. Here's a moon dial right there. Has different patterns. One is the ship in the ocean, no moon, and the forest and in the forest. Here's the logo. I won't show the back of it because we always set this clock up, so other people has that same clock, so you can go watch it, the in-depth of this one on other people's channels. Okay, now I'll hear it striking, chiming. the Owl Strike the Owl Strike hammer for the level part, one of the hammers for the Owl Strike fell off. That's why it sounds weird. Let's hope that can be fixed someday in the future. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. This is probably my last clock in my clock collection, unless if I get one for free or some ridiculously low price. So yeah, everyone, goodbye.